What Tailscale is it's basically a peer-to-peer mesh VPN that was built on WireGuard, which is another VPN virtual private network application out there, and it's designed to simply prevent networks with minimal configuration. Now, the strengths of Tailscale are it's extremely easy to set up and configure and just deploy on all of your devices, and if you are using it in a business or a ton of people, it is really easy to just set up and use in general. It has really fast speeds and really high speed security. So like everything you do is just extremely secure, and it's just really quick to respond to that. It has automatic key management, meaning it handles all rotations and distribution seamlessly when you're actually using it. So it appears that you're not even like on a VPN, just like you're on your normal network. And it does this really well across all of the devices, which I think is a major strength to this VPN. And it also integrates with identity providers, which is Google Workspace, Microsoft Autica, and any other providers like so. Now, just really good because you can like use it on pretty much anything flawlessly. And of course, the best part is it doesn't cost any money. It's completely free, which is actually shocking, which is why I think it's ideal for individual small teams and developers who are in need for fast and secure devices or services in a straightforward way. That's a good thing about this VPN.